Magandang buhay sa inyong lahat mga kabahay. Ito po si Kabahay Art.
And Kabahay Charen ng Team Art and Charen, ang team na maaasahan ninyo sa inyong real estate and mortgage needs.
Mga kabahay, 2 araw na lang at spring market update na ng Team Art and Charen. At kung hindi pa kayo nagre-register, ano pa ang ginagawa nyo? Mag-register kayo before Friday para alam namin na darating kayo at makapaghanda kami ng tamang bilang ng mga handouts at enough kibugan.
Oo, importante yon na may head count tayo para sa pagkain natin.
Tama.
At ano pang aasahan ninyo? Pag-uusapan po natin ang mga recent update and current trends sa real estate and mortgage industry. Mga home buying and selling tips, and meron tayong question and answer with our home panel, Nico and Dion Arellano, Dovi and Emmy Tolentino, Ronald Poyawan and Viron Poyawan, Peng Generoso and Alex Anayas.
Ito po ay 2 oras na good time. Learning from each other. Good time, fellowship, and good food. At may mga inihanda kaming mga exciting raffle prizes.
Raffle prizes. Yes, so huwag niyo pong kalimutan, remember to register by scanning the QR code or by clicking the registration link below. So see you all on March 29, 2 to 4 p.m. at 15310 103A Avenue in Surrey.
Again, this is Team Art and Charen,
Kami ang kabahay nyo.
Team Art and Charen, kami maaasahan nyo. Team Art and Charen, Team Art and Charen. Ito po si Kabahay Art.
And Kabahay Charen.
See you sa Sabado.
Kita-kits!
Huwag kayong mawawala.